having consistent physical representations of your work. So make sure to take pictures, make sure to record and save video. These things are really worth 1,000 words. The cliche is true. And instead of having to simply just read what you've done on your resume, if an employer can see what you've done through pictures or video multimedia, it gives a more tangible understanding of your impact. And luckily nowadays, with smartphones and high quality cameras right in our pocket all the time, you really don't have an excuse about not recording and documenting the things that you're doing at work, whether it's a presentation in front of a bunch of people, whether it's spreadsheet formulas, whether it's a PowerPoint you developed. All that kind of multimedia is really good to serve as a proof of concept to the kind of work you can do and the impact you can have to your next employer.